Those of us who are in the driving seat, including the President of this Republic, is in that situation where he has to be the harbinger of some of these tough decisions that have to be made. We want to enlist you to help in the communication of this. Let me give you an example. Recently, the government said that it is the intention of government to start looking at how to accelerate something like privatization. And then there's a hula baloo across the country. Oh, the government of Kenya wants to dispose of their assets. What we should be saying is, please manage the privatization properly, transparently, openly, and in accordance with the law. That is what we should be talking about. Not about the intention, but the economic circumstances are those that we need to come to terms with. I've given you an example of privatization. It's not as bad as people make it look. It's whether we do it correctly in accordance with the law, so that the people of Kenya can benefit. Let's look at somebody saying KICC is a national heritage. Absolutely. It is true. But in the last few weeks, in the build-up to the COP25 summit, the government of Kenya has had to spend money to rehabilitate it. Not little money, a lot of money.